Hi guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. It is me, Boy Sam, and today I want to take you through how to use Google Forms. And Google Forms are basically important in case you are doing a research and you need to create a questionnaire. You want to conduct a study. Maybe there is an outbreak of a disease and you need to find out how, or you need to find out what could be the cause. You just need to create a questionnaire and get your respondents, then they will fill in the questionnaire or the Google form. So the Google form can easily help you create that. So basically, to create a Google form, you need to have an email account and you have to log into your email account. So on this Google Chrome, I'm just going to log into my email account. So I just come here to my email account. I can still go up here and I log into my email account, but I already see it here. So I just click on it. I log into my account. So as soon as I log into my account, I look for the Google apps. There are very many Google apps, but they are displayed in your Gmail. So I'm now on my email account. So I come to this top right corner. I look for this Google apps. As you can see here, I just click on it. It will display many Google apps. So there are very many Google apps, but what I'm interested in is the forms. That is the Google form, because I need to create a Google form. So I just scroll down from here. I look for the Google form. So you can see here it shows me a Google form. I just click on it, Google form. So as soon as I click on it, it will be in position to show me that form. So yes, as you can see, it is in position to show me this form. There are several types of forms as well. You have the contact information, but I need a blank form. So I just click on the blank form. Yes, because we need to enter in our information. So that is a blank form. So when I click on this blank form, I need to put the title for my form. So maybe I'm conducting a survey on malaria. So I just come and say malaria. I just come here and say malaria survey. Survey. So that is the title of my form. So and then they can ask you for the description. Maybe I can say maybe the description is the common causes of malaria. So when I have my description, I can decide to say maybe I want to create a subtopic on it. Then I create another topic and I say maybe that topic is called now I need the personal information, or I need the biodata for the person who is going to fill that Google form. So I say bio. I just come here and say biodata. So as soon as I click there, I can decide to bold, to make it bold. So I just highlight it, then I bold it. Yes, I can also decide to put it in italics if I need, but in case I don't, I can leave it. So we need to create the questions now on biodata. On biodata, maybe you need to get to capture the information about the person filling that form. Maybe I just need the name of that person. So I just come here and say the names. Always names are in short answer. So this Google form also has the ability to show you automatically whether you need a multiple choice or a short form. So if in case for the name someone has to enter, so a name you cannot enter more than, you cannot own 3 names or 4 names at a go. So you probably have only one name. Then maybe I come and add, and I need another question. Then I add here on this plus sign. Then I say maybe I need to know your sex or gender. I just come to gender. So on gender, it will show me it is multiple choice. So when I go to gender, I need several options, and maybe option 1 in gender, someone will just mark on that box and see what is there in gender. So on gender, number 1 I have male. Okay, in option 2 you just add here for another option, just click here, it will be able, it is even showing me female on option 2. On option 3 maybe I can say prefer not to say, and maybe on option 5 I can say specify, or none of the above. Yes, so I just come here and say none of the above. So, and then I need to create another question, so I go to question 2, and then I say on that question 2, maybe that is my question 2. I say maybe I need to know the contact of the person, contact, then it is a short answer. And in my question 3, maybe I need to get the email address, then I need to know I might need also to know I might as well need to know the residence or the home district, so I can just say district, showing basically that is what I wanted to know about the biodata. So I come in and I create another subtitle, then I say and then now maybe I need to ask about the questions concerning malaria. So I come and just say the questionnaire itself. Now I just come here and I say that is I want to create now a questionnaire. So I come here and I add that subtitle, and then after adding that subtitle, I can now go to the questions. I don't need the description, I just need the questions now under that subtitle. So that question 1, have you, maybe I need to know, have you ever been sick of malaria, or have you ever acquired malaria? Ever been sick of malaria or been infected with malaria? Yes. So that could be the question, our first question. So it has a multiple choice. You need to say maybe option number 1, you can say never. Option number 2 could be ever. Option number 3, I don't know. Yes. Then you can decide to go to question number question. So basically that is how you can create your Google form. So after creating your Google form, you can as well decide to add some photos. In case you need to upload images, you just come here and you add the image, or you can as well you need to add a video, you can still come here and add the video. So that is basically what you can do on Google Forms and many other things. So you can decide to preview after you have finished your Google Form. You assume you have finished, you have to preview to see if it is okay. So if I preview my Google Form, it shows me that is how it looks like. And now I have to see, is this how I want it to be, or I need to edit? In case I need to edit, I just come here and I say edit the form. So when I edit the form, maybe I wanted to change this description. It was not okay, then I want to remove it. I just come here, where I say I have removed it. So what we can do, and many more other things. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And in case you need any clarification, type me on the comment section. So thank you so much for today, and have a nice time.